Bike check para sa request ni Idol JAYROQS. Santa Cruz Nomad version 4 2018 tan color. I-explain ni Eleanor 2 ang parts ng bike na to. Eleanor 2.
Hi, my name is Eleanor 2. I'm a second most favorite bike of MKABM. Don't ask me about the first one. She's long gone. Ha ha ha. Anyway, back to bike check. I am a Santa Cruz Nomad 4. The 4th generation design saw a dramatic shift to the lower link mounted shock configuration. The shock rate is a short travel version of the V10. I got 170mm travel on front and back. Good for downhill and uphill, but he never used me for uphill. Ha ha ha. Now we check the cockpit. I got a super old handlebar. I even can't remember the brand of this. It's a 780mm wide bar and 35 rise. I got Deity stem and Santa Cruz grips. Look how old are these grips. I need an upgrade. Ha ha ha. My brakes are SRAM code R, in quad piston I think. I didn't check the manual. Ha ha ha. My group set is full SRAM. Shifter and SRAM GX Eagle. Rear derailleur and SRAM GX Eagle 12 speed. 12 speed my ass. He never uses this high. Ha ha ha. Crankset and SRAM GX Eagle 32T, 170mm, and my new pedals. DMR V6 Black. Now let's talk about the suspension. For my fork, I got Rockshox Lyric RC 170mm travel, and my rear suspension is Sam Pilgrim's Monster Shocks. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. It's a Rockshox Super Deluxe RR. He wanna change into coil, but he don't have a budget. Ha ha ha. Now let's talk about the wheel set. I'm using tubeless tires. Maxxis Minion 27.5 by 2.5 DHF3 EWO TR on front, and Maxxis Minion 27.5 by 2.4 DHRAWO TR on rear. Rims in E13 DRS 27.5 32H 30mm. Hubs are DT Swiss 370 110 by 15mm 28H on front, and DT Swiss 370 12 by 148 28H on rear. The last part, on my seat, I'm using WTB Volt Race, super comfy. Ha ha ha. And my seat post, Fox Transfer at 170mm.
Ang pinaka main feature ng bike na to is meron akong papel de liha. In case yung pupo nyo ay mahabat, pwede nyo bawasan ng talas dito.
Ha ha ha. Shut up. Enough said. That's all guys. Thanks for inviting us JAYROQS for this bike check. Please subscribe to his channel for more bike checks like this. See you on the trails. Ha ha ha. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on. Ha ha ha.